So if we decide to plug in the value of x and y in equation 1, we'll have 3 power 4 plus 2 power 2. Negative z equals 11. Hence you have 12 plus 4 minus 11 equals z. 12 plus 4 will give you what? 16. 16 minus 11. 5. Hence the value of our z is 5. Hence x, y, z is equal to, for x you have 4. For y you have what? 2. And for z you have 5. Good. Now let's verify if this solution is actually correct. Verify the solution. So let's plug in all these values to all our solutions to know if we are correct. If we substitute the value of this, we have 3 power 4 plus 2 power 2 negative 5 equals 11. So 12 plus 4, 16. 16 minus 5. 11 is equal to 11. Good. If we substitute in the second equation, we will have what? 2 power what? 4, 3, 2 plus 5 equals 7. Now, 8 minus 6. 2. 2 plus 5, 7. 7 is equal to 7. If we decide to substitute in our third equation, we have 5 power, 5 raised to power, 5 multiplied by 4 plus 2 negative 2 power 2 times our z is 5 equals 12. You have 20 here plus 2 minus 10 equals 12. So 20 plus 2, 22. 22 minus 10, 12. Hence you have 12 over 12. That means our equation is correct. Good. We are doing something amazing, right? Okay. Let's solve more problems. Remember, we are still in system of equation. System of equation of 3. No. Using elimination method. Oh. X plus y plus z equals 3. X minus y plus 2z equals minus 4. 3x plus y minus z equals 7. Let me verify to make sure that this equation is not. Okay, so we want to find the value of x, y, and z. Right?
Yeah.
So from here, solution. So let's look at this critically. We want to start our elimination. So which variable should we eliminate and from which equations? Okay. Why? In which equation? 1 and 2? Equation 1 and 2?
Yeah.
So how do we do that? We can do it in so many ways. Okay, what to eliminate y? So to eliminate y, I have to add equation 1 and 2. So if we add equation 1 and 2, here we'll have 3 negative 4, 1, negative 1. Z, positive 2z to give you 3. 3z. This is eliminated already. As you have x plus x, 2x. 2x. So I got this equation 4. Now let's find a way to also eliminate y in our next action. So we can do that with equation 1 and no. We can do that with equation 1 and 3 or equation 2 and 3. So which one? Let's look at it critically. Look at the one that we feel that should be easier for us. We can do it either ways, but which one do you want us to go with? Huh? 2 and 3. 2 and 3, okay. So from 2 and 3, you want to eliminate the y. Good. So if you add up 2 and 3, you still eliminate the y. Good. So if you add up 2 and 3, you have a negative 4, positive 7, 3. 2x, 2z minus z will give you z. Then y is out, 0, eliminated. So x plus 3x will give you 4x. Good. This is equation 5. We now solve this simultaneously again using elimination method. So which one should we eliminate? Between x and z.
See, we could eliminate z.
Z, yeah. Z looks like something that will be simpler. If you multiply the equation 4 with 1, we'll have the same thing written out. Right? We'll have the same thing written out. Hence, you have 2x plus 3z equals minus 1. We now use this to coefficient of z here to also multiply. If you float to this point, thumbs up. If you float to this point, okay, good. So we want to use the coefficient of z here to multiply everything we have here.
12x.
You have 12 x
3z.
plus 3z equals 9, right? to subtract. Now minus 10, this is up. Hence, this is negative 10x.
What's your
Question.
Okay, thank you. You divide both sides with coefficient of x. Hence, x is equal to negative, no, x is equal to 1, right? X is equal to 1. Hence, now we have gotten our x. Now, to get our y, to get our z, I mean, to get our z, what do? We substitute the value of x in either equation 4 or 5. So where do you want us to substitute the value of our x? 5. Yeah. Because, yeah. So if we do that, we have 4 times 1 plus z equals 3. Hence we have 4 plus z equals 3. You have z equals 3 minus 4. Z is equal to minus 1. So you have gotten our value of x and our value of z. So the substitute, to get the value of y, we have to substitute the value of x and z in any of the equation 1, 2, or 3. So choose the equation. Where do you want us to substitute our value of x and z?
Equation 1.
So equation 1. Good. So if we substitute the value of our x and z in equation 1, we have 1 plus y plus 1 equals 3.
It's plus negative 1 because z is negative 1.
Z is negative 1. Oh, yeah. Z is negative 1. This will cancel out. Hence, y is what? 3. X, y, z is what? Equal to x is 1. Y is 3. Y, z is minus 1. Now, plug this in our equation to ensure that we are correct. Plug this in our equation. Let's plug this in one after the other. Each of them. Okay. So while you plug this, let's look at another problem, another example. I will plug that in. To solve this, 3x plus 2y negative z equals 11. you have 2x you know what? Let me write out this equation here so that I'll be able to solve it here. Okay. Hope you are done with writing whatever you're writing here. So you are done, right? Okay. Solve the equation. So, using elimination method. Using elimination method. One, we have 3x
Is that the one we did on this board, right?
Oh, we already did this. Yeah, we have solved this. Okay, thank you. Thanks for letting me know. So for the first one, have this as our first equation. we solved something like this before? Huh? We have not. Okay, no, it's not. It's similar, but it's not. I know that I've said something like minus 10 or so. It's different. Okay, that is.
We're 19. Woo. And this is functional. I didn't have to tap the screen every 3 seconds. It's fine. And I can't put it around to myself, so I had to turn it around manually in my hand, which is good. This is good. Great. Very true. Yeah, no, it's a day. Feel free to tinker. You can't make it any worse. No, I'm pretty sure. Oh, okay. Yeah, no, he's gone. From what I can tell, I dropped him. These servos popped out of position. I tried to push them back in. I didn't do it right. And now, every time I move it, it's stripping them apart, bit by bit. And it senses that, oh, please won't. Yes, a little bit. And I'm assuming that they sense there is that problem, so it automatically safeguards the servo, which it should have done because it was inside the tape and properly stored, so I know what I'm doing. But no, that's really how the still freaking out. Dark shame. Looks like you got a loose surface. Whoa, it's moving. What'd you do? Yeah, but it moved. That part moved. It's loose. What'd you do? Why is it working? As soon as I lifted it, a little bit. I think at one point. Still running out of hours. Yeah, it should be.
Okay. So let's solve this equation. Let's solve this using elimination method. So look at what we'll be doing. Once I get to the point that we'll get to our equation. Once we get our equation 4, once we're able to eliminate one variable, I will now have 2 variables. I will have our equation 4 and equation 5. I'll now leave it to solve simultaneously for the 2 unknown variables. Once you give me the 2 unknown variables, I'll plug it in. Right? So that I will not go all the way to going into getting each and every one of them, one after the other. So for the first one, variable do you think we should eliminate? So how do we achieve that?
That's a great question.
Huh?
That's a great question.
Yeah. How do we achieve that?
We need 2 of the second equation, add it to the third.
Ooh, that's fun.
We should multiply 2 with what?
We could multiply the second equation by 2 and then add it to the third equation.
We multiply the second equation by 2. Just multiply 2.
Strong word.
And then add it to the third equation.
Again.
And it would-
Yeah, it will eliminate x. Okay, let's go with that plan. That's it. Sounds like a good plan. So for the number 1, we want to do what? Multiply the second equation by 2. Hence we'll be having 6x minus 4y plus 8z equals 34. You have to multiply it by okay, here we have minus 6x plus y minus 7z plus negative 12. Here we subtract.
Just add them.
Good. We can just add them. We have positive, negative. It will disappear. If you add them, what do we have?
There you go, 22.
22
Z, just one Z.
z
And then negative 3.
plus what?
Negative 0.
Negative 3y.
Yeah.
Yes.
We're doing it.
Good. This one is eliminated already. So we can call this equation what?
4.
Equation 4. Our fourth equation. What do we do next? What do we do next to eliminate x? Equation 1 and 2.
Multiply equation 1 by 3.
Yeah.
Is there another easier route? Is there any easier route? Any easier route? Because remember that we want to eliminate x. We want to eliminate x. Have that in mind. Now our end is that we want to eliminate x. So is there any other easier route? So we can do that from equation 1 and 3. Or equation 1 and 2. 1 and 3. Equation 1 and 3. So what do we do?
Multiply the top one by 3 and add.
Multiply equation 1 by 3 and add. Good. So we want to multiply equation 1 by 3. If we do that, we have 6x plus 15y plus 6z equals negative what?
That's a big one.
Negative what? Negative 114. 114. Right? Okay. Now, we want to, okay. For equation 3, we have negative 6x plus y. Negative 7z equals negative 12. Good. So, what do we do? Add. We are good with adding. If you add this, we have what?
126.
Here, what about here?
Negative z.
Negative z.
And 16y.
Thumbs up if you follow to this point. Alright, let's go.
I closed off. Oh, he closed up right.
So, for this, we have,
That's fine.
what do we have?
That's just all you look at.
16y.
Oh, we added, that's true, 16y. 16y. Hence, this is equation.
Five.
Equation 5. Okay, now we have this and this of two unknown variables. So what do we do next? I want you to now solve this. I want you to solve this simultaneously and find the value of y and z. Okay, so I want you to solve this simultaneously. I give you the value of y and the value of z. And the value of z. Then after that, we now substitute the value of y and z inside any of our equation 1, 2, and 3. So solve this simultaneously using elimination method. We are still in elimination method. You don't have to do it individually. You can do that in pairs.
After that,
Yeah, it's working. Well, thank you. Just so you know, it's like-
What's the value of y and z?
y is -8.
Y is what? Y is -8. Z? Negative 2. Good. Now substituting this in any of our equations. So which equation do you want us to substitute our value of y and z? Equation what? 1. So let's substitute in equation 1. Hence we have 2x plus 5 minus 8 plus 2 minus 2 equals minus 38. We have 2x minus 40 minus 4 equals minus 38. Hence we have 2x equals minus 38 plus 40 plus 4.
Yeah, no.
Hence you have
That thing is so-
2x is equal to what?
6.
Minus 6. Divide both sides with coefficients. Hence you have x is equal to what? 3. Hence x, y, z is equal to 3 minus 8 minus
-2.
minus 2. Good. Good. Now, for number 2, what do we do? Since we don't have any, our value of y is 0. Our value of y is 0, what do we do? Huh?
So we use this one first.
Huh?
Combine 2 and 3 and remove y.
So, you know what? Since we can just take 3x negative 9z equals 3 as our equation 4. Let's take it as our equation 4. That means it is our equation 1 and also our equation 4. So now we want to what operation are we going to perform to make sure or eliminate y in this equation? Maybe 3 and 4. A 3 and 4. What operation? What do you think that we will do that will make us eliminate this? Okay.
I think we could try doing 3 times equation 2 plus 2 times equation 3.
equation what?
2. No. 3 times equation 2 plus 2 times equation 3.
3 times equation 2.
Yeah.
Where's
3 times equation 2.
Yeah.
We want to eliminate y, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
We say 3 times equation 2. We'll be having 12. 12y.
Yeah.
Then what are we going to do in equation 3? Yeah. We multiply by 2. Did you follow? Is that correct? Can we do that? If you agree, thumbs up. If you don't agree. Okay. So naturally, you can do some of these manipulations by maybe introducing a new number. All you need to do is make sure that whatever you are doing in the left hand side, you are also doing it in the right hand side. Right. But I think we should go with a more clearer way, right? So that everybody will follow. Is that clear? So we have this our equation 4 now. So we want to perform some operation in equation 2 and 3 to eliminate y. So simply we multiply our equation 2 with this coefficient here with 6. Then we will now multiply our equation 3 with this coefficient here minus 4. This is more straightforward and everybody will follow. Is that clear? What to say is not wrong. That way is also correct. Right? But I want to go this way so that everybody will follow along. Thanks for your understanding. So from this, if you multiply equation 2 with 6, we have what? 6 times 7.
42.
X
Those math calls are gonna slowly. Down.
minus 12, 24. 24 y minus 6 z equals minus 15. Negative what? Okay. Great. So what do we do next? You multiply equation 3 by negative 4. Here we have negative 16. Right? Here we have negative 24. Is that correct?
Yeah.
Here we have negative 20. Correct?
Yeah.
Here we have 24. Is that correct? So we subtract. Here, what do we have? Huh?
Negative 114.
What about this?
Minus 26z. Oh, sorry, no. It's,
Positive
it's
14.
positive 14z.
Positive 14
Yes.
Oh yeah.
plus 14
Yep.
z.
No Y.
0y.
Oh, God. 0 y. What about this?
58x.
This is good. aren't making a
This
lot
is
of progress.
equation 5. Okay, now, good. So at this point, I want you to solve this and give me the value of x and the value of z. Give me the value of x and the value of z. Just 2 minutes. Solve that simultaneously with equation 4 and 5.